everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will practice some simple and effective yoga poses for a healthy body and a calm mind. These yoga exercises will help improve flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. So, let's begin our yoga journey together.
Let's go start. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Stretches body, improves balance and flexibility. Reverse warrior pose. Opens chest, strengthens legs, increases energy. Gate pose, Parighasana. Stretches sides of the body and improves flexibility. Cow face pose, Gomukhasana. Improves posture and stretches arms and shoulders. Standing forward fold, Uttanasana. Relaxes mind and stretches legs and back. Lizard pose, Uttan Pristhasana. Improves hip flexibility and strengthens legs. Fire log pose, Agnistambhasana. Opens hips and improves flexibility. Hero pose, Virasana. Improves posture and helps in relaxation. Revolved chair pose, Parivrtta Utkatasana. Improves balance and strengthens core. Standing side bend pose. Stretches sides and improves flexibility. Knees to chest pose, Apanasana. Relieves stress and helps digestion. Deer pose. Improves hip flexibility and relaxation. Shell pose. Calms the mind and relaxes the body. Sphinx pose, Salamba Bhujangasana. Strengthens spine and improves posture. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Stretches body, improves balance and flexibility. Reverse warrior pose. Opens chest, strengthens legs, increases energy. Cow face pose, Gomukhasana. Improves posture and stretches arms and shoulders. Fire log pose, Agnistambhasana. Opens hips and improves flexibility. Revolved chair pose, Parivritta Utkatasana. Improves balance and strengthens core.